The Legal Zone is sponsored by Smith & Beckey Injury Lawyers and 300hurt.com.
Well, if the unimaginable happens and your loved one is killed in a car accident or a trucking accident, you cannot just expect the insurance company to pay their limits. Scott Beckey is here from Smith & Beckey Injury Lawyers, and you say an experienced attorney is especially crucial in an auto accident death claim. Talk about how a lawyer can help.
It is possibly the worst time in somebody's life, right? When you lose a loved one in an accident, the number one thing we can take from you first is all of that weight off your shoulders. We can make sure that we get the limits, and if there are other policies, we can take a look at that.
All right, so there's plenty you can look at. What are some other things an attorney is able to do to help that family on a death case people might not realize?
So one thing people may not realize is that in South Carolina in particular, wrongful death cases have to be court approved. So the court has to approve that settlement. And part of that is going to be having a lawyer to represent you in court to get that done. And
without an experienced attorney, what are some things somebody might miss in a death case?
It happens a lot. You might be surprised that one policy is there, they offer their limits, that first insurance policy, but there might be other policies that a person is entitled to, that estate is entitled to, or other claims that could be made. For instance, dram shop, a drunk driver hits you, and maybe you've got a claim against that person or that entity that served that person liquor.
All right. Anything else you want people to keep in mind on the topic, or just know about working with you?
Listen, we can help you. We did personal service. We'll help you. We can talk to you on the phone, Richard or I. Just give us a call. We're glad to help you and take that off your shoulders.
Excellent. And people can contact you by calling 300HURT or visiting 300hurt.com.